In this video, we're going to talk about how to use your UHC Ucard on Amazon. So the UHC Ucard is more than just your member ID. It also comes with benefits that can be used like a prepaid debit card for certain purchases. Many people don't realize that you can actually use it to shop online, including on Amazon, as long as your plan allows it. So here's how it works. So first, check the balance and benefits available on your U card, either through the UHC member website or the mobile app. Some plans load monthly or quarterly credits that can be spent on approved items, and Amazon is often one of the places where you can use those credits. So once you know your balance, log into your Amazon and then go to the payment options. So in here, click this profile and then go to your payments. And after that, from there, you can now add your UHC or U card just like you would with any debit or credit card. So enter the card number in here and the security code, expiration date, and you can save it as a payment method like the other normal cards from your credit card. So when you're shopping, keep in mind that your UHC or U card is usually limited to certain categories of items. So typically health and wellness products. So over the counter medicines, personal care or other eligible goods. So if you try to buy something outside of those categories, the transaction might not go through. So it's best to stick with approved items. So at checkout, simply select your U card as the payment method and Amazon will charge it just like any regular debit card. And the cost will be deducted from your available balance. So it's a convenient way to use your benefits without having to visit a physical store. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.